Hello everyone, and welcome to the channel. Today our video is regarding comparison between two medicines, which are used to treat erectile dysfunction, or people having difficulty in getting erection. We will discuss difference between two medicine, that is Viagra and Cialis, which is used to treat erectile dysfunction. So watch the complete video till end, and do like and subscribe the channel. First of all, you should know that erectile dysfunction is defined by having difficulty in getting and keeping an erection. It can be due to number of reasons such as penile injury, nerve damage, depression or stress, high blood pressure and diabetes. Now coming back to the medicine. Viagra contains active ingredient sildenafil, whereas Cialis contain active ingredient tadalafil. Both Viagra and Cialis works by increasing blood flow to the penis area, making erection strong. Talking about strong action, Viagra action is slightly more stronger than Cialis in achieving erection. Viagra typically starts to work between 30 to 60 minutes after you take a dose, whereas Cialis works within 15 to 30 minutes of taking the pill. Viagra effects last in the body for 4 to 6 hours, whereas Cialis effects last way longer, that is up to 36 hours. This also means for Cialis, daily dosing is not required, whereas daily dosing is required in Viagra. Side effects for both are generally same, like headache, facial flushing, indigestion, and a stuffy or runny nose. Just remember, Cialis has less side effects as compared to Viagra. Viagra should be taken empty stomach, whereas Cialis can be taken with or without food. Viagra is available in 25, 50 and 100 mg tablets, whereas Cialis is available in 2.5, 5, 10 and 20 mg tablets. Usually low doses of Cialis are used for benign prostatic hyperplasia. Overall, both medicines are good, but Cialis has slight edge over Viagra, because of longer duration and less side effects. Also remember, both medicines will work if you have desire for sex, but you are not able to achieve erection. In case your erection problem is due to less sexual desire, then other options are there, such as zinc or other supplements, which we will discuss later. The information provided here is by a pharmacist. We gather all the information from relevant sources and then present it in front of you. Hopefully these videos are helping you. Do like and subscribe the channel. And if you have any question, just drop below, we will answer that.